How to create a plasma ball at home. Safe, stunning science experiment. Ready to bring the magic of science into your living room? Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of plasma, the fourth state of matter. You've seen plasma balls in science museums and cool decor shops, but what if I told you that you could create your own mini plasma ball at home using simple household materials? Let's light up your curiosity with this safe and mesmerizing DIY experiment. Perfect for kids, with adult supervision, science fairs, or anyone who loves a little zap of fun. What is plasma anyway? Before we jump into the fun, let's break it down. Plasma is an ionized gas, meaning the atoms are so energized that electrons break free, creating a soup of charged particles. It's what you see in neon signs, lightning bolts, the sun. And yes, those cool glass spheres with purple tendrils that follow your fingers. Now let's recreate that effect on a smaller, safer scale. What you'll need: 1 grapes, yes grapes, 1 microwave, standard kitchen, 1 works fine, a microwave safe plate, knife for cutting the grape, safety goggles because safety is smart, optional, a glass jar or cup to enhance the visual effect. Warning, safety first. This experiment involves microwave radiation and sparks, so parental or adult supervision is absolutely necessary. Never leave the experiment unattended, and ensure your microwave is clean and not overloaded with other items. Disclaimer: do this experiment at your own risk. It's generally safe when done correctly, but improper steps could damage your microwave. Always monitor closely and do not overheat. Step by step. Instructions. Step 1. Prep the grape. Take 1 grape and slice it almost in half lengthwise. Don't cut all the way through. Leave a tiny bit of skin connecting the 2 halves. This skin bridge acts as a conductor for electricity. Step 2. Place on plate. Place the grape open side down on a microwave-safe plate. Make sure it's centered and stable. Step 3. Microwave magic. Pop the plate into the microwave and set it to 10 seconds. Max. No more. Start the microwave and watch closely. What you'll see: after about 3 to 5 seconds, you may see sparks or a small glowing plasma arc forming between the grape halves. It's stunning, quick, and quite magical. Step 4. Turn it off immediately. Once you see the plasma flash, stop the microwave immediately. You don't want to overdo it. This could damage the microwave or cause the grape to catch fire. Optional. Add some flair. To enhance the effect, try placing a clear glass cup upside down over the grape before microwaving. It helps contain and concentrate the plasma glow, making it even more dramatic. Science behind it. What just happened? When microwaves excite the grape, the moisture inside heats up rapidly. The point where the grape halves connect, that tiny bit of skin, becomes superheated and ionizes, producing plasma. The sparks you see are bursts of ionized gas escaping. It's a brilliant example of physics, chemistry, and curiosity all rolled into one. Clean up aftercare. Let the grape cool down before touching or discarding it. There may be a slight burnt smell, but it's harmless. Check the inside of your microwave to ensure no burn marks or residue remain. Important notes: never use metallic objects like forks or spoons for this experiment. Do not try this with multiple grapes, as it can intensify the plasma and become dangerous. Never run the microwave empty. Always use the grape or a microwave-safe object inside. Why viewers love this experiment: it's simple, fast, and visually exciting. Great for science class, parties, or YouTube shorts. Teaches real scientific principles while wowing the crowd. Conclusion: congratulations, you just created plasma at home and witnessed one of the coolest phenomena in physics. This experiment is a brilliant way to turn your kitchen into a mini lab, spark your imagination, and maybe even ignite a lifelong love of science. Want more electrifying experiments? Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and tell us what you'd like to see next. Until then, stay curious and stay safe. Like and subscribe.